Hey there traders, with so many tools for scalping, it can be hard to choose the right ones. Don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll show you the best tools for scalping and how to add them to your charts. Then, we'll help you adjust them to make sure they work well. We'll also teach you how to use these tools together to make winning strategies. Plus, we'll give you important rules for entering and exiting trades and tips for managing risk. When you finish watching, you'll know how to scalp like a pro. So relax and let's learn the secrets of successful scalping together. Let's get started by opening up the TradingView platform. Don't worry if you're new to this. Just follow along and you'll be a pro in no time. Now that you have TradingView open, it's important to know that this strategy we're going to discuss can be used on different charts and time frames. This means you can apply it to various trading scenarios, making it a versatile tool in your trading arsenal. To help you understand this strategy better, we'll be using the gold 5-minute chart as an example. Alright, let's kick things off by adding our first indicator to the chart. We're going to start with the KDJ Jose Metal indicator. Don't worry if you haven't heard of it before. It's a handy tool that will help us out. First, look for the indicators button on your TradingView platform. It should be near the top of the screen. Once you find it, give it a click and a new window should pop up. Now, in the search bar, type in KDJ Jose Metal. The indicator should appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it to add it to your chart. Now that we have the KDJ Jose Metal indicator on our gold 5-minute chart, let's make a few tweaks to its settings. This will help us fine-tune the indicator to suit our trading style better. Once you've made your adjustments, here's how the indicators works. It's an oscillator that gives us buy and sell signals by showing green and red dots. Pretty straightforward, right? When you see a green dot, that's a buy signal. And when you see a red dot, that's a sell signal. To give you a better idea of how this plays out on your chart, take a look at these two examples. You'll see the green and red dots in action. Now that we've got the KDJ Jose Metal indicator set up, let's talk about using additional tools to confirm our trading decisions. It's always a good idea to use more than one indicator so we can feel more confident when entering a trade. But before we dive into that, I'd like to share a fantastic trading platform called SimpleFX. It's got loads of great features and there's an exclusive offer just for you. If you sign up through the link in the video description, you'll get a 5,000 deposit bonus and a 5% cashback on all your trades. Definitely worth checking out. Back to our strategy. Let's introduce a new tool to help confirm our trading decisions, the SMAs by Veta indicator. Just like we did with the Aussie metal, head over to the indicator section on your platform and search for the SMAs by Veta. Once you find it, add it to your chart. Now that it's on your chart, we'll need to fine-tune the settings to make it work well with the Aussie metal indicator. Don't worry, it's a simple process. The SMA's indicator is made up of 3 lines: the 50 SMA, 100 SMA, and 200 SMA. Each line provides insights into the market's trends. When the 50 SMA is below the 100 SMA and the 100 SMA is below the 200 SMA and the price is below all 3 lines, it indicates a downtrend. To put it simple, imagine the SMAs as stairs and the price is like a ball. When the ball, which is the price, is below the stairs, which is the SMAs, it means the overall trend of the market is going down. On the flip side, if the 50 SMA is above the 100 SMA and the 100 SMA is above the 200 SMA and the price is above all the 3 lines, it shows an uptrend. In this case, imagine the ball, which is the price, is above the stairs, which is the SMAs, indicating the market's overall trend is heading upward. By understanding these relationships between the SMAs and the price, you'll have a clear picture of the market's decision. Let's walk through the steps for entering and exiting trades, along with some essential risk management advice. When considering a buy trade, first check for a long signal from the Aussie metal indicator. That's a green dot. Next, ensure the signal candle's close price is above all SMA lines, with the 50 SMA greater than 100 SMA and 100 SMA greater than the 200 SMA. This confirms an uptrend, making it an ideal time to buy. So if both conditions are met, you're good to enter the buy trade. But remember, risk management is crucial. Safeguard your trade with a stop loss placed below the recent swing low or an SMA line, depending on the market situation. And to lock in profits, set your take profit target at 1.5 times the distance between your entry price and a stop loss level. Now, let's discuss the sell trade rules. For a sell trade, look for a short signal from the KDJ indicator, a red dot. Then make sure the signal candle's close price is below all the SMA lines, with the 50 below 100 and 100 below 200 line. This indicates a downtrend, signaling a potential sell opportunity. So once both conditions are met, you can enter the sell trade. And don't forget to manage your risk with a stop loss placed above either the recent swing high or an SMA line based on the market situation. For taking profits in sell trade, set your take profit target at 1.5 times the distance between your entry price and the stop loss level. You can use the SMA lines to filter out any counter trend signals, which makes your trading strategy even more effective. Congrats on learning a new strategy. Keep growing by watching our suggested video for more trading tips, and stay dedicated and open to new ideas for continued success in the trading world. Happy trading!